Now, when we have two bar like this, now first you need to understand, bigger the bar, bigger the data, this one is bigger and this one is a smaller, so smaller the data. Now we divided this bar as per their various parameters. For example, if we say these two are monthly expense of two family A and family B, अब family A का income है 20,000, फैमिली बी का इनकम है 18,000, उससे कम है, तो उनका अलग अलग खर्चा है. खर्चा कहाँ पे हो सकता है? रेंट है, फूड है, क्लोथिंग है, एंटरटेनमेंट है, एजुकेशन है, फ्यूल है. तो अब हम क्या करते हैं, इन अ डिवाइडेड बार डायग्राम we take two data for A and data for B as two separate bars, and then as per the different parameters we divide the bar. Hence such a diagram is known as a simple divided bar diagram. Now bar diagram mein we are going to do two types. One is a simple divided and other is a percentage divided. Today, okay, we are going to cover these two graphs. I'll go a bit slow because we are doing it digitally, we are not present in the classroom. Okay, so these two is what we are going to do. Now exercise में जितने भी sums है वो मैंने मेरे वीडियो लेक्चर में किए हैं, तो I am not solving them again in my live session. I am going to solve illustration which are equally important in my live session. So you will have both ready with you. Okay, so we are going to do today illustration number 27. Illustration 27. બોલો શ્રીધર.
સર આમાં તમે જે બે ફેમિલી દેખાડી એમાં એક મોટી છે
શું એમાં
અને બી, આ જે બે ફેમિલી છે એ અને બી, એમાંથી જે એ છે એ મોટી છે અને બી છે એ નાની છે. પણ સર આપણે જે વિડિયો લેક્ચર માં હતું એ જે પેરામીટર્સ છે એમાં ખાલી 3 જ દેખાડ્યા હતા, અહીંયા કેમ તમે 4 દેખાડ્યા એ ખબર ના પડી.
એક્ઝામ્પલ આપ્યો છે, એક્ઝામ્પલ આપ્યો છે, તો સમમાં આપ્યો હશે ને કેટલા પેરામીટર્સ. વિડિયો લેક્ચર માં કયો સમ કર્યો?
એ ફિફ્થ સમ જે સમજાવતા હતા તમે વિડિયો લેક્ચર માં, મને થોડો ખબર ના પડ્યો એટલે મેં થોડો કન્ફ્યુઝ થઈ ગયો એમાં.
You go to the fifth sum. In the fifth sum, એમાં parameters 1, 2, 3, 4 છે. 4 parameters are there. Less than 15, 15 to 35, 35 to 60, and more than 60. There are 4 parameters.
નહીં સર એવું નહીં, તમે જે વિડિયો લેક્ચરમાં જે સોલ્વ કર્યો ને ત્યારે એ બધું જ્યારે વચ્ચેનો સ્પ્લિટ અપ ટાઈમ, જ્યારે સ્પ્લિટ અપ નો વારો એમાં માઈનસ કરીને 3 જ પેરામીટર આવે એટલે મને ખબર ના પડી.
Let me do this in the lecture right now. Okay, all your doubts will be clear. Because fifth was not given to you as a homework because I had not taught you. Still you did it and you got confused. So now you wait. Okay, you do the sum. Okay. All your doubts will be clear. ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay. Now all of you come to illustration 27. Page number 47. Illustration 27, page number 47. Now, let's read the question. Let me go to the question. The data on monthly expense of two different families living in a city are given below. Present it through appropriate diagram. Now, what we will do over here, information is given for two different family. Now you can see family A का खर्चा है 18,000, family B का खर्चा है 20,000. Now what we have to do over here, we have to represent it using an appropriate diagram. Now over here family A, where do they spend? Family A is spending on food, some amount, clothing, some amount, education, fuel, rent, other. Similarly, family B का अलग खर्चा है, food पे अलग amount है, clothing पे अलग है. So we have to show this in a diagram. Over here, we will use a simple divided bar diagram. So थोड़ा diagram will be better, and the person seeing the diagram will be in a better position to analyze and give some opinion. तो यहाँ पे we will make two bars, one for family A, one for family B. But वो बार में कैसे divide करना है, उसके लिए we will have to do some working. So let's go to that working. All of you in your notebook, okay, you have to make this table. You can see this table over here. Family A, family B, particulars, expense, split up, expense, split up. Now, why we are doing this split up and all these things, you will understand while we do the sum. Without split up, also we can do the sum. But textbook is saying that you have to use this method, so we will also use the textbook method. Although you may be able to do without using this split up, but still you will have to follow textbook method only. Now, first of all, you make this format which is visible in the screen in your notebook. If screen is not visible, you can refer page number 47. उसमें जो format दिया है, make that format systematically using scale, and then I'll show you how do we do the split up thing. Split up को blank रखना. Okay, start making it. I'll give you 2 minutes for it. Okay, now ध्यान दोगे सब. Why we have the split up is because once you make both the bars, okay, you will be able to do that very easy. क्योंकि 18,000 is family A and 20,000 is family B. But उनको कहाँ पे split करना है वो बार को, या कहाँ पे divide करना है, उसके लिए we have the split up thing. Now split up is very simple. Just pay attention over here. Split up, first of all, total is 18,000 and total is 20,000. So first we start with 18,000. 18,000 minus 8,100 will be your split up. So that comes to 9,900. Then 9,900 minus 2,700, which comes to 7,200. Then 7,200 minus 2,880. If you remember, हम cumulative frequency जो करते थे वैसा ही है, सिर्फ different way we are doing it. We start with the total and we start subtracting. So 18,000 में से 8,100, you get 9,900. 9,900 minus 2,700, you get 7,200. 7,200 minus 2,880, you get 4,320. Then 4,320 minus 1,800, you get 2,520. And then 2,520 minus 1,620, you get 900. It means you will start plotting from 900. यानी 900 पे तुम divide करोगे, फिर next तुम्हारा वो division आएगा 2,520. Then next division आएगा 4,320, 7,200, and जो remaining है that will be 9,900. I'll do it. Don't worry. Now we go to family B. In family B, we have total 20,000. So 20,000 minus दरवाजा बंद कर. 20,000 minus 7,000 is equal to 13,000. 13,000 minus 2000, which is 11,000. 11,000 minus 2000, which is 9,000. 9,000 minus 3,000, which is 6,000. And 6,000 minus 4,000, which is 2,000. You will say कि सर हम इधर क्यों अटक गए? नहीं अटकना है तो आगे बढ़ सकते हो। तो आगे बढ़ोगे तो क्या आएगा? 2,000 minus 2,000, which is equal to 0. Here also 900 minus 900, which is equal to 0. So if you want to go till the end, go till the end. At the end, you should get 0. Please do this, and then we write the heading and we proceed with the sum. किसी को कोई डाउट है इसमें? स्प्लिट अप पता चल गया सबको? ओके, नाउ should I proceed now?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll wait a moment.
Sir, મને આમાં એક doubt છે.
Okay, now let's write the heading, all of you. Heading is extremely important in graph. So we write the heading. Simple divided bar diagram showing monthly expense of two families. Simple divided bar diagram showing monthly expense of two families. Now, extremely important for us is the scale. Okay, so scale, we write the scale on x axis we will take family. Now ये कैसे लेना है? I'll show it to you, don't worry. On y axis, now ध्यान दो all of you for a while. Now here you have to go, total is 18,000. तो एक बार जो तुम्हारा होगा that will be of 18,000 and other will be 20,000. Now if you take in your scale, ध्यान दो सब screen पे please. If you take this scale, if you take 1 centimeter is equal to 1,000 rupees, so you will have to go up to 20 centimeter. So you have to see कि graph में there will be a bar of 20 centimeter. You can go for that if you are comfortable. It will be a very big bar, but you can do it. तुम्हारे graph paper में आराम से आ जाएगा. If you feel it is becoming too big a diagram, then you can take 1 centimeter is equal to 2,000 rupees. तो तुम्हारा सबसे बड़ा बार will be of 10 centimeter. समझ में आया सबको? तो अभी see, as you can see, I am doing it on a digital platform. तो मेरे लिए 20 centimeter लेना possible नहीं है. Okay, so I will take 1 centimeter is equal to 2,000 rupees. You can take 1 centimeter is equal to 1,000. That is also fine. और अभी अगर सबको यूनिफॉर्म करना है तो you take 1 centimeter is equal to rupees 2,000. Okay, so Write the scale.
सर 1000 लिया चलेगा ना?
हाँ चलेगा चलेगा, not a problem. We write the scale 1 centimeter is equal to rupees 2000. Okay, I am taking 2000. You can take whatever you want to take. Okay, now let's start plotting. Now over here on the x-axis you can see over here we take family. So now family को कैसे plot करेंगे? ध्यान दो, ये फर्स्ट सेंटीमीटर है, ये सेकेंड सेंटीमीटर है, ये थर्ड है, ये फोर्थ है, ये फिफ्थ है, ये सिक्स्थ है, ये सेवेंथ है, ये एट्थ है, ये नाइन्थ है. ओके, ऐसे सेंटीमीटर्स है तुम्हारे ग्राफ पेपर में. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड, यहाँ पे यू टेक एज फैमिली ए. ओके, उसके बाद 1 2 एंड 3 या 4 एज गैप तुम्हें जितना रखना है रख सकते हो. यहाँ पे 1 2 3 लिया है तो यर अगेन 3 के बाद आई विल टेक फैमिली बी. ओके, सो वी टेक फैमिली ए एंड फैमिली बी. यहाँ पे ऑन वाई एक्सिस वी विल टेक मंथली expense in rupees. Now monthly expense, what I have taken is, I have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 2000. Okay, so I will start from your 2000. You can take 1000 and you can do it. Okay, then I'll take 4000, then 6000, 8000, 10,000, 12,000, 14,000, 16,000, 18,000 family B and family 18,000 family A and 20,000 family B. Now, once you have done this, we'll have to draw the bar. अब हमारा पहला बार जो है वो ही है अराउंड 18,000 फैमिली ए. फैमिली ए का टोटल इज 18,000. तो फैमिली ए जहां पे मैंने थर्ड सेंटीमीटर पे मार्क किया था उससे लेफ्ट से आई विल ड्रॉ अ लाइन which goes up to 18,000. और उसके राइट हैंड साइड तो ये 2 सेंटीमीटर का बनेगा. Then family B, 20,000. तो फैमिली जो बी मार्क किया है वहां से you draw a line up to 20,000. Family B, सो ये तुम्हारे बन गए दोनों बार. नाउ लुकिंग एट द बार यू कैन से कि फैमिली ए का खर्चा कम है, फैमिली बी का खर्चा ज्यादा है. All of you are able to do this now?
सर
Okay, now if you all are ready, ये बार बना लिया है तो I'll show you how to divide. अगर हो गया है तो thumbs up कर दो सब. ओके चलो ग्रेट. नाउ अब ध्यान देना, इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट begins now. Now over here सबसे पहला we start with रेंट. जीरो के बाद रेंट आ रहा है, दैट इज 900. तो ग्राफ पेपर में तुम कर रहे हो, अगर तुमने 2000 लिया है तो उसका एग्जैक्टली हाफ इज 1000. ओके, तो 1000 से भी 1 मिलीमीटर नीचे कम्स टू 900. तो 900 पे you will have to draw a line. So let me draw a line at 900. So at 900, we draw a line. So 900 somewhere over here. I draw a line and this is your first division. तो 900 हो गया, फिर 2520. सो ये 2000 और 4000 के बीच में आता है 3000, और 2000 और 3000 के बीच में आता है 2500. तो 2520 एग्जैक्टली नहीं मिलेगा, बट यू कैन टेक अप्रोक्सीमेट. ओके, तो अब ये तुम्हारा होगा अनदर लाइन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ at 2520. So I'll draw a line at 2520. Now, next line will come at 4320. तो 4000 और 6000 के बीच में आएगा 5000, और 5000 और 4000 के बीच में आएगा 4500. तो 4500 से थोड़ा नीचे, 2 मिलीमीटर नीचे comes 4320. तो उसको प्लेस कर दोगे तुम. देन 2520 4320 हो गया. अब नेक्स्ट आया 7200. तो 6000 और 8000 के बीच में 7000 और 7200 है. तो इफ यू हैव टेकन 2000 रुपीज अ मिलीमीटर अबव, थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे अप्रोक्सीमेट चलेगा, यू डिड नॉट वरी. ओके, 7200 के बाद 9900. सो 9900 पे 9900 यानी 10,000 से थोड़ा ही नीचे कम्स 9900 पे आएगा तुम्हारा लास्ट स्प्लिटर. तो चेक कर लो 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6 सब कवर हो गया कि नहीं? स्प्लिटअप पता चला सबको कैसे प्लेस करना है? ओके, नाउ हम दूसरा स्प्लिटअप पहले कर लेते फैमिली बी का, एंड देन वी विल प्रोसीड विथ मेकिंग सम डायग्राम्स और ड्राइंग इनसाइड. नाउ यहाँ पे वी स्टार्ट विथ 2000. सो 2000 पे वी मेक अवर फर्स्ट डिविजन. ये जीरो है, जीरो के बाद 2000. सो 2000 पे वी मेक द फर्स्ट डिविजन. फर्स्ट डिविजन 2000 पे. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट डिविजन विल बी एट 6000. 6000 एग्जैक्टली है. तो 6,000 पे. देन नेक्स्ट डिवीजन इज 9,000. 8 और 10 के बीच में इज 9,000. देन 9,000 के बाद 11, 10 और 12 के बीच में है 11. एंड देन 13,000. 13,000 is 12 और 14 के बीच में is 13,000. Now ये चेक कर लो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We are ready with all the split up. Now we have to go one by one for shading. Now shading में I once again tell you, don't be extra creative. Okay, do it simple. Now how you can do is, I will start with, say for example, this one. I'll do lines. Diagonal lines. Okay, I'll use black color. Okay, I'll keep it same. So diagonal lines which are easy to make. Okay, please don't be extra creative. So others is represented by diagonal lines. So यहाँ पे I will write diagonal lines.
સર આમાં કોઈ પણ ડિઝાઇન ચાલે આમ કરીએ તો
हाँ, कहीं पण चालसे, कहीं पण चालसे. और सबसे बॉटम में है तो सबसे बॉटम में ले लेता हूं उसको. Diagonal lines, that is food, that is, sorry, others. Okay, then next is rent. So rent में I will put vertical lines.
સર
Yeah, બોલો.
શેડિંગ ની જગ્યા આપણે નામ લખી શકીએ છીએ.
ના, એવું તમારા સ્કૂલના ટીચર ચલાવે તો ચાલશે. બાકી ટેક્સ્ટ બુક જ અત્યારે ફોલો કરો તો you can't do that. Okay, shading करो. You can use different color pens also. Okay, you can do that.
ઓકે
Then fuel. Now for fuel I will take droplets. Very precious these days. गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत भाव बढ़ा दिया है. So I'll take fuel. Then next is education. Okay, education. उसके लिए you can use symbol plus. प्लीज एक्स्ट्रा क्रिएटिव मत होना, नहीं तो एग्जाम में पेपर कंप्लीट नहीं होगा तुम्हारा. Education. Then clothing. Then clothing में I'll use cross. एंड देन फूड जो है, ओके, उसमें मैं कुछ भी शेडिंग नहीं करता, उसको मैं ब्लैंक रख देता हूँ. सो आई कैन सेव टाइम ऑल्सो एंड माई ग्राफ गेट्स ओवर फास्टर, बिकॉज ये सबसे ज्यादा एरिया है. तुम अगर शेड करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो, कोई और सिंबल चाहो जैसे कि ट्राइंगल्स है You can do it, but I'm keeping it blank to save my time. And same thing you should also follow in exam. So now our graph is ready. If your graph is over, then you give a thumbs up so that I can proceed with the different concept. ग्राफ जो तुमने बनाया है उसको देखो और उसको चेक आउट करो कि तुम इसमें क्या एनालिसिस कर सकते हो. What you can make out of this graph. Now, if you ask me, I can make out in this graph is that कि ये जो हमारा रेंट है, रेंट उसमें फैमिली भी बहुत ही ज्यादा खर्चा कर रहा है, बिकॉज यू कैन सी द एरिया इज क्वाइट बिग एज कंपेयर टू फैमिली ए. Even you can see the numbers. Rent of family A is 1620, but family B is 4000. Then you can see next is fuel. So fuel mein you can see family A is spending less as compared to family B. But over here, all of you please pay attention. Please pay attention. अब ये सिंपल डिवाइडेड बार डायग्राम का लिमिटेशन क्या है? अगर यहाँ पे फैमिली ए और फैमिली बी दिया है तो दोनों का इनकम अलग है. फैमिली ए का इनकम है 18,000 और फैमिली यानी एक्सपेंस है, इनकम जितना हो उतना ही एक्सपेंस हुआ 18,000. इसका एक्सपेंस है 20,000. पर मुझे कंपेयर करना है दोनों को, तो एब्सोल्यूट डिफरेंस तो है ही कि एक का 18,000 है और एक का 20,000 है, पर मुझे ऐसा फाइंड करना है दोनों फैमिली, फैमिली ए और फैमिली बी को कंपेयर करना है कि कौन कितना परसेंटेज ऑफ इनकम कहां पे स्पेंड कर रहा है. तो मेरे लिए यहाँ पे ये जो हमने ग्राफ्स बनाए यहाँ पे बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, बिकॉज हियर आई कैन एब्सोल्युटली कंपेयर. यानी एब्सोल्युटली यानी क्या? एब्सोल्यूट पॉवर्टी यानी क्या? जो बहुत ही गरीब लोग हैं जिनको बेसिक रोटी कपड़ा मकान मिलता नहीं है, दैट इज नोन एज एब्सोल्यूट पॉवर्टी. बट व्हाट इज रिलेटिव? रिलेटिव यानी in comparison with someone, I feel I am poor. In comparison with Mukesh Ambani, who is the 7th richest person in the world, हमारे देश का मुकेश अंबानी, रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज का वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट शेयर होल्डर, इज द रिचेस्ट 7th richest person in the world. तो उसके सामने हम सब बहुत ही गरीब है. तो जब कंपेयर करते हैं तो वी गो फॉर रिलेटिव कंपैरिजन. यानी रिलेटिव यानी जब कंपैरिजन होता है तो हमें लगता है हम गरीब है या हम किसी और से अमीर है. तो यहाँ पे नॉर्मल कंपैरिजन करेंगे एब्सोल्यूट तो सिंपल डिवाइडेड बार डायग्राम चलेगा. बट इफ वी वांट टू कंपेयर relatively, then we will have to go for a percentage divided bar diagram, जिससे हमें ये पता चलेगा कि कितना परसेंटेज कौन कहां पे स्पेंड करता है. Understood this? Now for this we will go to illustration number 28. We go to illustration number 28. Now the question is the same question. Only thing is here we have to make a percentage divided bar diagram. So here I would like you to again make a table what we have made like this split up wala. But in this now you will have one more column, that is percentage. You have to keep your calculators with you. So make this format with percentage. You can refer textbook page number 49. Let's proceed with this.
सर वन
ओके, अब सब ध्यान दो। सबसे पहले टोटल 18,000 है, उसका एक्सपेंस तो हमें फाइंड करना पड़ेगा। फूड पे कितना परसेंटेज उसका स्पेंडिंग है, तो यू डू 81,000 डिवाइड बाय 18,000 इंटू 100, फाइंड आउट द परसेंटेज। 8,100 divide by 18,000, press percentage, you will get 45. So we write over here 45, then 2,700 divide by 18,000 percentage, you get 15%. 2,880 divide by 18,000 percentage, you get 16%. Then 1,800, so 10%. 1,620 divide by 18,000, so 9%. And 900, so 5%. So total should come to 100. Okay, now we go to family B. 20,000 is the total. So now let's find out 7,000 divided by 20,000 percentage. ये परसेंटेज सबको पता चल रहा है कैसे करना है? नहीं पता चल रहा है किसी को? कानन, आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड?
No, sir.
यस और नो?
No.
नो, ओके, ध्यान दो बेटा। सी, परसेंटेज फाइंड करना हो ना, तो पहले तुम ये फूड देख लो। फूड, सी 18,000 टोटल एक्सपेंस है, उसमें से 8,100 फूड में खर्चा हो रहा है। तो तुम्हें क्या करना है, टेक कैलकुलेटर विथ यू। 8,100 डिवाइड बाय 18,000 which comes to 0.45 into 100 which comes to 45, or what you can do is, let's take expense of family B, 7,000, you press 7,000 in calculator, divide by 20,000, press the percentage sign. What are you getting? Are you getting 35? Are you getting 35?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we write 35, then 2,000, divide by 20,000, press percentage, you get 10%. ख्याल आई वो तो नहीं?
Yes, sir. I got.
Okay, then again 2,000, so 10, 3,000, so 15, 4,000, so 20, and 2,000, so 10. Total should always be 100, cross verify 35, 45, 55, 65, 70, and 100. Understood? Anyone else? Okay, now when we go to split up में the rule is total में से हर एक को minus करना है. So let's go with this 100 minus 45, which is equal to 55. 55 minus 15, which is equal to 40. 40 minus 16, which is equal to 24. 24 minus 10 is equal to 14. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. And we will also do the last one. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. ये 0 आ जाना चाहिए इधर. Then 100 minus 35, which is equal to 65. 65 minus 10, which is equal to 55. 55 minus 10, which is equal to 45. 45 minus 15, which is equal to 30. 30 minus 20, which is equal to 10. And 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. We write the heading now. Should we write the heading now? Any doubt in split up? All of you confident in split up now? पता चला कैसे करना है split up? Okay.
Sir.
हाँ हाँ बोलो. Okay. Now let's write the heading. लिखो heading percentage divided bar diagram showing monthly expense of two families. Extremely important heading. Don't forget the heading in the exam. Now let's write the scale. Now यहाँ पे scale is very simple. We write scale on x-axis. We will take family as usual. On y-axis. Now it is 10, 100. You can see split up में total is 100, 100 जो हमें plot करना है. Both the bars will be of same size. So we take 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. We take 1 centimeter is equal to 10%. Now, over here, we will take 1, 2, 3 family A, 1, 2, 3 family B. Now both are 100. So we draw a line. Achha, before we draw a line, we have to write over here. ये 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. You can take 2 centimeter is equal to 10 also. Okay, that is also fine. You can do that way also. Now, both will be of the same size. So, over here, we draw it
સર
हाँ बोलो.
સર જરા આજે ગ્રાફ છે જરા એને સ્ક્રોલ અપ કરજો ને પેલું શોઈંગ ટેબલ એ ઉપરનું હેડિંગ.
हाँ एक જ સેકન્ડ.
હા સર.
હેડિંગ પછી લખજે, પેલા તું આ પ્લોટિંગ કરી લે ભાઈ.
ઓકે સર.
Okay, now family A and family B, you can see both of the bars are of same size. Just do this, then I'll proceed with plotting. हो गया सबका? Should I proceed?
યસ સર પ્રોસીડ.
Okay, now split up में, now तुम याद रखना, if you're using a graph paper, in a graph paper in one box if there are 10 lines, it means 1 millimeter each denotes 1%. If there are 5 lines, it means one line denotes 2 millimeter, okay, और 2%. तो ऐसे तुम करना, डिपेंड्स तुमने 10 बॉक्सेस वाला ग्राफ लिया या 5 बॉक्स वाला ग्राफ लिया है. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट वन, फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट विद दिस. नाउ फर्स्ट स्प्लिट आउट है, फर्स्ट स्प्लिट एट 5. सो लेट्स पुट अ लाइन एट 5. 10, 0 और 10 के बीच में यू गेट 5. इसको हम कर देते हैं ब्लैक में. okay, then 5 के बाद 14. so next will be 10 और 20 के बीच में is 15. उससे 1 मिलीमीटर नीचे is 14. थोड़ा अप्रोक्सीमेट चलेगा, डोंट वरी. then 24, so 30 और 20 और 30 के बीच में 25, उससे स्लाइट नीचे is 24. then 40, exactly 40, great. then 55, 50 और 60 के बीच में 55. चेक कर लो पार्टीशन 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6, 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6, हमेशा ये चेक कर लेना. नाउ फॉर फैमिली बी, first is at 10, so exactly 10. then next is at 30, so exactly 30. then next is at 45, so between 40 and 50 you get 45. then 55, between 50 and 60 you get 55, and then 65, so 60 and 70 you get 65. now check kar lo again, 6 parts, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. now again we start shading it. We can use different lines or symbols to shade. So family A, I will use slanting lines which shows others.
sir, done.
Okay, great. Now, then next, we can use vertical lines. Vertical lines for rent. Then fuel. I'll use droplets, small circles for fuel. Then education. For education, we will use plus.
Sir, done.
Great. Then next is clothing. Clothing we use cross. And then we keep it blank. Blank is food. Now, or write the homework if you have done this. Now please तुम मेरा ये अभी जो मैं होमवर्क देता हूँ वो करना, because one more divided bar diagram I have not taught you, because that will take at least half an hour to explain you that graph, और उसमें profit है, selling price है, पूरा concept ही अलग है. Illustration 29. So वो मैं तुम्हें कराऊंगा on Thursday. Okay, so you write the homework. Homework is, first we write exercise 2.3, question number 5, question number 6. 5 and 6 are, 5 is a simple and 6 is a percentage divided. You refer my video lecture for this. Okay, without fail. Then illustration. Illustration now you do. अभी जो हमने क्लास में किया right now. Illustration 27 and 28.
सर फिर से कर ले।
हाँ फिर से करना है, क्योंकि ये स्प्लिट अप वाला तुम्हें प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा. अगर तुम उसको एक बार तुमने क्लास में कर दिया फिर दो बार, इट्स नॉट इनफ. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट. सो यू हैव टू डू दिस वंस अगेन. और तुम लोग प्लीज यही किया हुआ फोटो क्लिक करके मत भेजना. आई नो यू आर सो मच टैलेंटेड. ओके, मत भेजना, तुम्हारे लिए इट्स नॉट राइट, because in exam this graph is really expected. Simple divided or percentage divided, or the next one which is again a simple divided with negative values. 29th illustration जिसमें नेगेटिव आता है, तो वो मैं तुम्हें नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में कराऊंगा. बट तुम प्लीज ये चारों ग्राफ प्रॉपरली फिर से एक बार प्रॉपर हेडिंग स्केल के साथ करना. ठीक है.